AMS Alarm Management System for Oil and Gas Pipeline Stations. Access and Security System with Centralized Control and Command Center. Pipeline systems in the petroleum industry refer to the integrated network of pipelines, its dispatch and receipt facilities, sectionalizing valve stations, intermediate pigging and pumping compressor stations to cater to the transportation, distribution and storage of crude oil, natural gas, refined petroleum products or associated items. Pipelines, stations, oil and gas. Pipelines may have these stations sectionalizing valve, station, SV stations, vital for the overall control of pipeline operations and emergency situations. SVs are at around every 30 to 40 km intervals. Routine and operational activities are taken care by SV station guard using access control, guard tour management, and other security gadgets. RTUs can be used for integration with command and control room at dispatch receipt stations. Receipt station. These stations are strategically located along the pipeline route to facilitate the efficient transfer and handling of products. Access and security facilities are similar to dispatch station or at a larger scale, dispatch station. The dispatch station may have a control and command facility which uses secure communication, live maps for cameras, touch-friendly software for alarms and door access, real-time people count, and detailed reports for thousands of alarms. Intermediate pigging pumping compressor station. Here, security and access facilities may be similar to the SV stations or comparatively at a larger scale marketing terminal. These terminals serve as key hubs in the supply chain, connecting production sources such as refineries, processing plants, or pipelines, with distribution channels such as tanker trucks, rail cars, or ships, and end users such as retailers, industrial consumers, or other customers. The Central Control and Command Center for AMS would consist of an integrated network to provide real-time intrusion detection, alarm monitoring, by deploying video surveillance, PIDS, interactive guard tour, mapping, visitor management, email notification, third-party monitoring, asset management, integrated security console and access control at the designated gates, the main entrance of the premises and other pipeline stations, e.g. SV stations, intermediate stations. AMS for Central Security Command and Control Center. Layout: Security Command Control Room redundancy. Security Command Control Room LAN Central Command and Control Cantor Server. 1 Access Control CCTV Smart Security. Light fire alarm, parametric and intrusion detection, emergency communication application software, leak detection module, visitor management, time and attendance, integrated security console, PAGA, SCADA, Perimeter Intrusion Detection System, PIDS. Components at DS, RS, SVs, IPSs. CCTV integrated with every alarm point and zone necessary. VMS can use edge-based analytics from camera, and VMS have the following inbuilt analytics: power, fence, optical fence. Multiple technology can be integrated with Central Security Control System. As for long parametric, different type of sensing technology will be required, which will be integrated to Security Control Room. ISC panel at sectionalizing valve satiation allows manual alarms, mark guard attendance, define zone of alarm, initiates video calls to security, and operates hands-free, even in server-down scenarios. Smart light. In case of any intrusion. Smart light lit, smartly or manually guard tour to ensure that each zone inspections are performed on time and in proper order by the guard, and if any delay by the guard during the scheduled time, alarm will be raised to the control room to know if anything untoward happened. Zonal view at Central Security Command and Control Center. 2 PTZ camera can be viewed on alarm from one zone. CCTV pop-up to 4 cameras per zone from alarm point. List of alarm received recently which are not cleared. Click on any alarm and see CCTV view of time and zone of alarm. Map pop-up. View at Central Security Control and Command Center. Map pop up in Security Control and Command Center with details as below. 1. Zone of alarm. 2. Source of alarm. Example: from fence or from the CCTV. Controls on MAPE. Hooter control: on-off. Alarm from, power fence, sensor, analytics, etc. Zone camera live view tab. Zone of alarm.